guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eva, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look. And the cool part about this tutorial is that everything I used on my face today, including the eyelashes, literally everything on my face, is under $20. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. I always like to start off with my eyebrows. I am using the Morphe Dip Brow Pomade. So my other camera turned off, so if you notice the difference in the quality, that's probably why. I love this product so much, you guys, and especially because it was only $6. And I know it's not considered a drugstore, but for the price of it, you just cannot beat that. Now to conceal my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Light Peach. So I'm just going to use that and conceal my eyebrows. And I also like to bring that concealer onto my eyelids just because I like to use it as a primer for my eyeshadow. And then with just a little brush, I'm going to pat that concealer all over. And now for eyeshadow, I actually picked these up today. They're from e.l.f. and they are the bite size eyeshadow, and I got Cream Sugar and Berry Bad, and these only retail for $3, you guys, so I think it's a really good price, and the colors are beautiful. So let's see how well they blend. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the Cream and Sugar palette. And I'm going to start off with this color right here. And I'm just going to be applying that all over the crease. And by the way, you guys, I did not set my eyelids. I just went ahead and I applied that concealer and tapped it with that brush. But I did not set it. Now going in with the Berry Bad palette, I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here with the same brush. And I'm applying that all over my crease. So far, these eyeshadows are blending really nicely. I'm not having any problem with them. Now with the clean brush, I'm just gonna go over that just to make sure it is well blended. Now with the Cream and Sugar palette, I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here. I'm going to be applying it like if I was cutting my crease. Now going in with the Berry Bad palette, I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here and just tapping off the excess. And I'm going to be applying this on my outer V. I'm just going to be applying more of that glittery shade. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I'm going to be applying this all over my face. And I've already used this before, and I love, as you can tell, I'm already almost done with it. I love this product so much. And that all over my face. Now moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. And I'm going to be applying this with a Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And I like to apply it with my finger. I usually apply the foundation here in my hand, and then with my finger I just make dots everywhere. I like to use foundation to clean up on top of my eyebrows. So I just use that same foundation and then just a flat brush. And I just go over my eyebrow just to clean it up. Now with concealer, I'm going to be using the same one, the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in light beige. And I'm just going to apply that under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, on my forehead, on my upper lip. And with the same beauty blender, I will just go over it and make sure you tap your concealer. You don't want to rub it. It blends better, at least I think for me, it blends better if you tap. Okay, so now to set that concealer, I'm going to be using the Airspun Translucent Powder. This powder, you could literally find it anywhere. I bought it at Walmart and I've used it for so long and honestly, I love it. The only weird thing about it that I think is that it kind of smells like grandma perfume. I don't know if it's just me, but it kind of has like a little scent to it, like baby powder. I don't know, like grandma baby powder, something like that. But I mean, it does its job. I'm going to be using the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 200. And I'll also apply some to my jawline and my neck. Going back with the Airspun powder, I'm going to be grabbing my beauty sponge and I'm going to be grabbing the flat side and I'm just going to be cleaning up my bronzer. And I'll just go ahead and let that sit there for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and apply some blush. So I'm going to be using Milani and the shade 03 and Berry Amore. And I like to apply some on the tip of my nose as well. So now to finish up the under eye, I'm going to be grabbing the eyeshadow on like the palette Berry Bad, and I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here. Like always, make sure you tap it just because you don't want that extra fallout. Okay, so now moving on to eyelashes. I unfortunately was not able to find the drugstore eyelashes I was looking for, but I found an alternative which is way cheaper. But the only thing about these eyelashes is that you do have to order them from AliExpress. But the good thing is that they only cost you I'm not sure if it's like $1 or $2, but I know it's not more than $5. It is for sure less than $5. And they're really cute, so I'm gonna go ahead and use them up for today's makeup. So the ones I'm going to be using today are these, and they are in the style E10, and I'll make sure to link everything down below just so you guys, if you guys want to purchase anything, it'll be down in the description. Now for setting spray, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild 3-in-1 base primer, photo focus, prep, set, and refresh. So I'm just gonna apply this all over. I'm just going to apply mascara on my lower lashes and a little bit on my top lashes. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. For lips, I'm going to be overlining my lips with the NYX Nude Truffle lip liner. And now with the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sweet Tooth, I'm going to be applying that over the lip liner. Oh my gosh, this smells like chocolate. Alright, so this is the final look. I literally fell in love with everything. I feel like it looks so pretty. I love the eyeshadows, the foundation, the lip combo, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. If you did, like always, please make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!